back again in emoji unboxing. So today I got several things that I bought from favorite e-commerce, since most of the seller in another e-commerce usually get the things or get their distributor from there, and that's the reason why the price is quite cheap, even though there's not a lot of promo like the popular e-commerce. Consider I don't really buy so many things as well, especially when it comes to the price. There's huge differences, so it definitely worth it. So thing is quite the same as the previous Nintendo Switch game, since when I try to create the video of unboxing, I usually try to wait until the package is at maybe around 3 package recorded at once. It's been a while that I didn't receive any package again, since I tried to save some money in order to upgrade my PC gaming. It's just quite obsolete. These games that are available. So this time I tried to buy this case for that Switch game, since the last time I bought the Witcher, I think it's at all steel case that basically available is already bought. There's not much steel case you can find like PlayStation 4. So most of the steel case that Switch is usually the original Nintendo games, and it's not cheap as well, just like almost with the same price of the customized local steel case that you can customize it with any. So I decided to buy a replacement case, which is basically cheaper, but as cheap as the previous steel case that I bought. I don't know, same, so try to buy another game. So even though the cover didn't actually represent the games inside it. So let's try to unbox the big package. So it's quite hard to unbox. The box is since basically it was handled by itself. It's pretty big, even though it's only 1 kilogram of weight, total weight. Maybe because there's actually big things inside it that I struggle to open it. Basically, I never really unboxed with a video before with this e-commerce, but they don't ask for it as standard, even though in the box there's a note to video to record each during the unbox, but as on delivery where there's no box, so you can still have warranty as expected, so it's very good service of them. Like regular various kind of seller where you can basically sell anything there. Right. Just don't trust. So that's the reason why unboxing video is in order to, if something's going wrong, it's quite big. It's packaged until it moving camera, even though it's inside, it's not. For some reason, it's just this basically a mirrorless DSLR, which is really meant to record the video. DSLR is everything was just happen just like photos, so you can setting up all of your etc. like the other camcorder with the same price, unlike this really professional ones. You can do a lot of network adjustment to the settings. So I only bought 3 things, and from its e-commerce, which is the Type-C SD card, the HDMI Coiled cables, which is basically very handy